Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the moon. So let's start by drawing a perfect circle. You can use a compass or something like this. Okay. Next we'll draw the craters on the surface of the moon. Here I am drawing an oval shape. Another oval shape which is smaller in size. A curved line below. The craters are of different sizes. Another one. When you draw craters towards the center of the circle, you can draw it as a circle itself, but towards the edges, it will appear as oval shaped. Okay. Next, continue drawing. Let's draw a few more. Now you can also draw little lines here and there. And a crater which is to the edge, so I'm drawing it as a semicircle. I'm finishing off the drawing with another little curved line. So the drawing is completed. Hope you like it. If you enjoyed drawing this moon, please don't forget to like, share among your friends and subscribe. Thank you.